Okay, welcome back. This is the last part using Wireshark to get plain text HTTPS communication. From our previous demo, we know that the communication between HTTPS will be encrypted by the certificate. As this flow chart, we can see here is the explanation of the whole process of the SSL encryption, or aka HTTPS communication. The server will send a hello packet to the server, and the server will reply with its public key. Public key, just the certificate we just generate in the last demo. And this I stressed, I circled. I should point out that the client will generate a session key and encrypt it or the content by this session key. So here we will try to export the session key and input this session key to Wireshark. Then the Wireshark can decrypt all the communication packet. So let's first see the explanation of the session key. That's I quote from Wikipedia. A session key is a single-use symmetric key used for encrypting all messages in one communication session. So I should stress that it's for the one-time communication. One time, all right? Each communication, it will generate a new session key. Okay, so the step to export session key is very easy. Just add a new user variable called SSL key log file in our client system. Okay, we move back to the Windows 10. Here, advanced environment variable, we just create SS key log file, and the variable I will point out to my desktop file SSL key log.log. You can create any text file or log file if you want. Okay, and after restart the Windows operating system, we can take a look. First, there's nothing here. All right, we open our browser and open the Wireshark simultaneously. Okay. We will start the Wireshark here, and HTTP. In case I got catch, I will start the Firefox using the private window, or I can understand it's the private mode without any cache content. Let's see. Okay. Okay, the same concept. We got the certificate information, and we stopped our Wireshark. First, let's take a look at the log file. Okay, we can see it have already captured the S session keys which generate by our client, and all the content will be encrypted by the session key. And we can take a look at the TLS. Yeah, that's our TLS. Okay. It have already decrypted the TLS communication because we have already input. By default, we need to configure it. It's very easy to configure it. Preference, protocol, and we should go to the TLS. Yeah, TLS. And here the pre-master security log file name. This aka the session key, we should browse and select our session key file. Then the date we capture, we can see here, it got the tab of the decrypt TLS. So now we can using the Wireshark to decrypt the communication packet data from the HTTPS. Quite simple, but quite useful. Okay, that's the 3 demos of the HTTPS. First is the HTTP plaintext, and we generate the certificate ourselves. Then we use HTTPS to make the communication to be secured, and the last is to use the session key to decrypt the communication.